Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your printer is not printing in color on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Search up Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Set your view by to category view and then select view devices and printers. So right click on whatever printer you're having the issue with and select printing preferences. So underneath additional features, if grayscale printing was enabled or checkmarked, you want to uncheck that option. So just uncheck it. Or if you also saw a color option, you might see that too. Different printers have different settings, so just remember that. There may be a section that says color options perhaps, and it will say print in color or grayscale. So you really want to look for a grayscale if you don't see anything about colors, and just uncheck it. You want to change it back to color, and you can see the preview changes up there depending on what you select. And again, you might have to go through some of these options here too. You can see grayscale printing's in here too. You can uncheck that. So again, they usually try and make it as simple as possible for you, but there's usually a few different places to locate this stuff. So once you made the change, if you have to disable grayscale, just select apply and OK to save it. Restart your computer, and that should be about it. You might want to restart your printer too. So once you've done all that, hopefully you should be good to go. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.